Hello America, welcome today. Mark.Kelson here at Guaranty RV, Junction City, Oregon, to present to you beautiful 2018 Baystar by Newmar 3532 model. Let's go and see what it has to offer. Coming in, you got a beautiful interior featuring this wood grain vinyl flooring that's extremely striking. You do have over here for sleeping and sitting a pull-out airbed. Seats 3 people. Very nice. Beautiful colors. Corian countertop in the kitchen. Dual stainless steel sink with the Moen faucet behind it. Tremendous accents on the back. Very appealing. Again, this is a Newmar, so the build is tremendous. Full length extension drawers with the rails on the side. Very sturdy, mitered corners, deep cabinets. Over here you have the Whirlpool, and it is a convection microwave. Stovetop, 3-burner, bank of drawers underneath for a lot of storage, Norcold refrigerator, freezer with the ice maker inside, and for all your pantry needs, you got this area right here, and this area with the pull-outs, so you can get to the stuff in the back. Coming over here, you have the little Euro booth that is very comfortable to sit in with the Corian countertop. It's just real natural. This is a wonderful place just to sit back and look at the TV, which is up front, or this TV right here. So you have 2 TVs in here. You have the exit window right here in the case of an emergency. Let's go on back into the bathroom. So in this coach, it features a split bath. One of the nice things in this coach is you have 2 sinks. So each of you, if you have 2 people, can be utilizing the water at the same time. Little vanity area. Nice mirrors, towel racks on both sides. Coming back here, you have your commode and your shower all in one area. And these doors do shut off right there in case you need some privacy back here, and also right there. Coming to the back, it features a king-size bed in the slide out with windows on the sides for ventilation, and this is a true king in this coach also. And in the back you do have a window, so if you're backing up to the ocean or the mountains or something, you can look out and have a nice evening of all the decor that America offers. It also has beautiful accents in the valance and the wall board, everything. You have his and her wardrobes with the TV over the top back here, and also another exit for emergency in case you need that, and a bank of drawers. So this is on the Ford chassis. This is a V10 and has all the power that you need, but it also has all the style that you need up here. The very attractive dashboard combination of colors. You do have the levelers over on the side. You have at the touch of a button right up here your cruise control on the steering wheel. You have your generator start, your battery boost, your overhead fans. Everything's right up here. You do have your navigation and camera right here. So you're going to have side cameras on this coach also, not to mention the backup camera. And then you got your entertainment up here also. Let's go outside real quickly and see what it has to offer outside. So coming outside, one of the things that Newmar is #1 in my book at is their paint jobs. And this is just an exclusively beautiful paint job, full body paint, so there's not going to be any rust or any peeling of stickers or anything like that. Right here you're going to have an outdoor TV. You do feature the frameless windows up here. And above this slide out, you have the awning, which is an automatic awning that comes out over the whole thing when you're having a party or something out here. One of the things you get in this coach, side baggage doors, so you get the ease of getting at the stuff that you have stored underneath. It's just awesome. Look at that. Man, that is great. You also get the bigger tires and the bigger wheels on this, so the bigger the tire, the smoother the ride. More storage with the gray tank up above. Storage, 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 and storage, and this does go up and over to the other side so you can store the long items that you're taking with you. Coming to the back, again, you'll see the ladder accessing the top of the roof where you can do all of your maintenance needs, get at the air conditioning, all of that stuff. You have the camera up above and the tow hitch down below. Coming around the side, you're going to have a 50 amp service in this coach. It also has the surge protector right there for you. That one goes up and over also to the other side. So fishing poles or whatever you have will fit just perfectly in there. Coming right here, you have your water bay, your sewer dump, your outside shower, all the stuff you need, your filter right there, right at the touch of an opening of the door. Right in there is your water tank. You do have your hose to winterize the coach right there. Right there you have your Awning generators, the 5500. That'll supply all your electrical needs that you need. And right here you do have your propane tank. And that tank is a huge tank. It'll last you a long time in this coach. Your side cameras are right there. A lot on this coach, so I just went through it very briefly. If this coach interests you, or any of the coaches we have on the lot, please feel free to give me a call. My name is Mark.Kelson, 541-285-8791, or the number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for watching today.